Dzień dobry, good morning kochani.
Dzień dobry.
Smacznego. Wow, we've got a very huge breakfast. Actually, here in the hotel is a very nice brand new hotel.
Variety of selection is very big in general. And this is nice actually, look around.
You know, like you can eat. And how much you pay for the hotel?
330 zloty.
Including with the breakfast.
Yeah.
And the breakfast is, I didn't eat yet, but when I see it's that the food is so good. And the hotel, I guess it's full. Centrally located. So many nice selection. This is the breakfast situation. And over there. Nice. That's the bar actually. And I wanna go outside and see how it is. This is actually the hotel and also the business district, right? Green space in the middle, nice. That's the lobby. I'm showing you because you know this is a very nice like industrial contemporary art, right? I see.
We used to stay with so many hotels, right? That's why I'm the member of every single group of the hotels and everything. But this one, like for the EBs or IBs, whatever you call it, is really nice actually. It's totally different. An interesting venue in general. Very nice.
Oh, we record this because this is not paid endorsement.
We just like it.
We just like it.
Exactly.
We are sharing and
caring.
So we just check out from the hotel. Now it's time to explore the city of Budapest. I'm just thinking, what's the capital city again? Because so many brand new thing in my mind. And the weather is like this. Currently 14 degree. And we are going to explore the area where it's simply beautiful.
Supposed to be beautiful.
It's just like, you know, the main spot that whenever you are in Budapest, what would you do? Good morning everybody. Just another day in different countries in Europe. This is Hungary and the capital city is Budapest. And right behind me is the hall.
Parliament building.
Parliament building. And I think this one is the world famous spot. Whenever you come to Budapest, you have to come here. So today we will explore around the Budapest city. You see so many people surround me already. Just like, you know, hard to concentrate, but yeah, so far.
But beautiful landscape behind
It's
you.
beautiful, impressive.
And this is the Dunabi or Dunai River, depends where you're coming from and however you call it. Second biggest river in Europe, except the Volga in Russia actually, on the European side. Church, and seems like a lot of people coming. Busy, but nice. And this is the view. Unfortunately no sunny today, but still happy to be here. See something totally different.
Look at this. It's very impressive building. So for the Budapest, interesting things is like Buda is different word and Pest also different word. There are two words, right, kochanie?
Yeah, two words, Buda, Pest. I don't know how about exactly you pronounce the Pest one, but in Poland we call Budapest.
Okay. And yes, I think that every country has a homeless, but leave them. Market. I love shopping.
Okay, let's go. Let's buy Papa postcard.
I always admire of the architecture building. Okay, this one is the Spar and this one is the market, right? Seems like many people are coming. Let's go. So what kahane down here is the supermarket?
Down there look like it's a Spar supermarket and upstairs is like traditional market.
Okay.
So actually this is not the market. This is just the mall or something. Our bad. The market is on the other side of the river actually.
Damian is super confident with that. Okay, rule number 1 has to trust him because he travels around. But now,
I make a mistake. Travel mistake. Okay, let's go.
Kohanya, where's the next?
Fisherman Bastion.
Okay.
This is nice post box by the way.
Uh-huh.
But I don't know where they sell postcards and where they sell stamps.
Okay.
But we're gonna figure out. So this is the last view of the parliament there,
Yes.
nicely, and we're gonna walk somewhere through the city to this one, yeah?
Yes. And the thing here is the walking friendly. Tak? So wherever you go, if you want to walk, this is like easy peasy. Let's explore the city. Hani, why you decided to go to the, the Central European country? Maybe because you've been to Paris.
I've been
already.
in all Western Europe, coming from Poland up to Portugal. I've been everywhere by car, by flight, been everywhere. So now it's time for me to explore the Central Europe, and I really want to explore Balkans countries in the nearest future. And then and for you, Western Europe will be last.
Yes.
But I think the Central Europe is more interesting recently rather than Western Europe, except you go to the Spain or Portugal. After that is nothing really like, not much interesting, right?
Yeah. And I think that, when we stay in the hotel, like yesterday in a hotel in Krakow and now in Ibis in Budapest, seems like many Asian tourists nowadays coming to the Central Europe and Eastern Europe, right?
I noticed that also.
Here I think that there are so many church as well.
Let's go this little alley.
Okay. Wow. This is the Kamenica style?
Yeah, the Hungarian Kamenica style.
Ooh.
Already different, little bit.
Yeah. And look, it's nice and clean, tak?
Yeah, actually it's nice and clean. I just realized it's clean here, very clean.
This one is the Hungarian flag. And we keep walking and walking. For me, visiting European cities, when you see like beautiful churches, like the background, that's you are in Europe. Tak, Kohani? This mean like you are in Europe. It doesn't mean like I'm only, supporting one religion or something. No. Right? Like you come to Bali, the island of the temple. But here, you're visiting Europe. Oh, look at this building architecture. You will see like, this is what you expect. Oh, look at this. This walking path. So cute.
Going up.
Wow.
Like
It's very
small street with the cobblestone road. One way. Narrow. Nice. And stairs. Imagine living there, you have to walk upstairs every day.
It's okay, but you will be healthy. Thank. Okay, we keep walking and walking. Let's see.
They're walking and walking and walking on the alleys like this one. They also drive scooters, yes, and we have to go up there. Nice. Yes? Yeah, nice. See, there's some tower on the top. Ponti Uzza. Okay, let's go, Saya. Hot, now hot, you see? But imagine it's 30 degrees right now. Look at this alley, Sayang. But nice, huh?
Okay.
Stairs, we are going on to the top of the Buda Castle. Buda Castle and Fisherman Bastion. Sayang, how do you copy?
I take off all of my jacket. It's hot. I'm sweating. Oh, dear.
But it's nice, no?
Nice. I think it's better to come at this time rather than in summer. In summer you get boiled.
Yeah, I guess so. No, it's just enjoyable. Yellow taxis and the whole group of Asian people actually coming to Budapest.
This is what I told you. Now, Central European, East European, Balkan countries, they are becoming like exotic. Exotic Europe. Oh my God, this is worth with the breath. Look around me, so many people.
So many people and beautiful actually castle. Ooh, like this one, the king probably. This is like a really cool stuff. Very European vibe. Very European vibe, isn't it? And look how many tourists are here.
We
Actually.
should bring a police flag.
Nice. Let's explore a little bit. And you can see the people from all around the world literally here. So you go here and I can see some nice spot overlooking the city actually. Here we go. Actually like this one. The guy is playing something here. And here we go. That's the spot. That's the view of the Budapest. Also, from this perspective, you have a nice view of this one. So cool. Sayang, it was worth actually walking here, na?
It's very worth it. And let's go there.
Let's see what's going on. Oh, actually, from here also is nice view.
But if you want to go up, you have to
Yeah, I see. I see that. But overall, it's nice. People making pictures, obviously. But it's nice. Right. Like this one. Actually, from here I got a one spot from the bottom. So I wanna have a picture if you stay here. This is for video actually. I will change now for pictures.
Okay, so now I will show you how the castle look like and the detail. And here is the top. You actually can go to the top. And oh, that's the king over there. The amount of people coming here is
It's a lot, really a lot. Last time amount of people like this when I experienced something, it was in Asia, back in Asia.
But I think that mostly the Asian tourists nowadays coming to the Central Europe, Eastern Europe, Balkan countries.
Majority for sure.
Wow. It's simply amazing. If you need to have a coffee, that's also a coffee shop.
Starbucks?
I don't know. Kohane, I think that you can buy the postcard over there. And that's another spot, and that's actually the restaurant. Nice. Okay, buying postcard. Fine. Busy. Oh, they have a flower thingies. The same like in Poland.
Similar, yeah?
Same, but different. And they have a nice ceramic. Wow, fountain. You see, you cannot be peacefully taking pictures. It's just like people are everywhere. Okay, so that's the thing. Wow. This is the first time Damian saying, Kohane, you have to make a picture of me. I see. Okay. And look at this. The top of the castle. Oh my goodness. Yes.
Nice, isn't it?
Tak. And that's the Parliament House, tak? Here from this side, and here the color of the trees. I told you, coming to Europe better in the autumn. So pretty. Okay, Kanye, we will go to that bridge.
We're going to this bridge, yeah.
Let's go. Oh wow. So cool.
A un barrio hay que entrar.
Tell me you are Asian with the style. Oh wow.
This thingy are cool actually. Check this out, and they're going electric uphill.
So this one, I think another important building. It's just like a tunnel to go there, and that's, I think, another important building. And here is the bus station, bus stop, and that is the bridge, the important bridge. Actually, you see there are so many people. For sure we will come back again here. It's just, I think we are just here for few hours and we have to travel to
Bratislava and Vienna.
Okay.
Of course, everybody said you have to spend a week to Budapest. I know, but that's what we're gonna do next time. We're just gonna come back. Today we have a more road trip with little bit of sightseeing just.
right. And here is the world famous bridge. Actually, and here it is. Oh, you are queuing there to take the like cable car up on the top. Impressive. It's very nice hotel. So we are walking to the bridge. Kok hanya?
Nice.
Yes. It's just beautiful. So this is the name of the bridge that going there, and yes, many graffitis, and also like I think every city has a Janus. Janus like the guy who collecting bottles like this. You know, like I remember that when I was in Poznan. So I remember, you know, when I was back in Poznan, there also Janus. I think that every European cities has Janus who collecting bottles.
Normal.
It's normal. At least here, whenever you walk,
There is not that many of them, and there is like safe. Actually, I feel exactly the same like in Poland. Safe, clean, nice. Actually, for some reason, unfortunately, from the most cities what we visited together, the German cities, unfortunately, the most.
and Paris, you said last time.
And
also.
Paris, yeah, they're like you know.
I think that the Western Europe cities, I think, getting really downgrading. Meanwhile, Central European getting increasing.
The facts.
This bridge is very massive. Oh, walking on the bridge. Jimmy? So many development as well if you see over there. It's like this. So pretty. And we park our car over there next to the church. Pretty far. Let's walk.
So this is the middle of the chain bridge here in Budapest, and this is the Dunaja. The Dunabi River is so huge actually. So, Budapest is big city, no?
Right.
It's very huge.
There's a lot of video today from Budapest, and then we'll show you that thing, that the road trip or something like that. Right, Kohanye?
I think so, yeah.
Yes, because after this we need to travel to Bratislava. We just have a limited time, and then because we live permanently in Europe, I think that we will travel more and more into the European cities.
All right. So thanks so much for watching, following this trip, and we'll see you on next city. In next city, actually. See you. Take care.
Look at this beautiful church. Whenever I see the big river like this, it's just like, you know, remind me about the Chao Phraya River in Bangkok.
Somehow it's true.
Yeah. And I think that there are so many river cruise here, right? And then I think that the main attraction also the river cruise dinner, or maybe the river party. So here it is how it looks. Okay, so on the left side the office building, right? On the right side is the river. Look at this one.
It's also actually cool as you can drive directly next to the river, like literally next to the river.
Yes.
People fishing. That's the chain bridge.
Chain bridge.
Yeah, something like that they call it, I think. Actually, you can show to the bridge more. I don't know if this one or next one, but one of them is called chain bridge. This one looks nice.
Yeah, I think so. See? It's just like the river cruise.
That's actually nice.
Yes.
It's big river and big city.
Yeah. Okay, I come back in this. Oh, on the left side is like the cliff, no?
Yeah, like a cliff. That's also interesting, yeah? Over a big bridge. Or maybe the chain bridge is next. Whatever it is, but it's nice to drive next to the river like this one.
Yes.
It's very cool.
It's nice. I've been like, you know,
Many
in
places.
Asia, many places. For me, already many places. Kohanya. This one is the, I don't know how
This one
many
is the-
European countries.
Fifth one.
Fifth one. Oh, look at this on the left. Ooh.
A lot of
Oh.
historical things. That's the
Okay.
castle or something.
Oh yeah, we should go here later on. Look, this bridge.
Maybe this is the chain bridge.
So many nice bridge.
You have to go to one of the top of this bridge. I think this one.
No, this one Sheshame,
Yeah, that's the
Shit.
chain bridge.
the chain bridge.
Yeah, we have to go there
Okay.
so we can film the river from the top, from the middle.
Oh, this one the picturesque the
Parliament.
Parliament building. Ah, I see.